5 Techniques for being the most interesting person in the room. To make a good impression, use the science of human psychology. Many folks are nervous about interacting at the corporate holiday party. Some people believe they cannot rest because they must always be on. Others feel compelled to approach the employer but are unsure what to say. Many others have told me that they are introverts who find it difficult to socialize with strangers or individuals they don't know well. Take it easy. There are some basic, tried and true methods for being the most entertaining person in the room. And the best news: introverts have a competitive advantage. 1. Smile when you enter the room. A recent study at the University of York discovered that we trust people who smile more than those who scowl or have a neutral look on their face. Psychologists refer to it as the expressivity halo. Simply, we trust those who are easier to understand. A smile is the simplest expression to understand. Most people are so preoccupied with their own thoughts or fears that they overlook the most basic method to make a good first impression: smile. 2. Make direct eye contact. Refrain from looking for someone else to chat to during a conversation at a workplace party. Concentrate on the person in front of you. Remove your smartphone and make eye contact. They will appreciate it if you make the person to whom you are speaking feel like the most important person in the room. 3. Express an interest in their story. People enjoy talking about themselves. Remembering this basic, fundamental aspect of human nature will help you advance in your job. 4. Make genuine compliments. We are big fans of likes. We count likes on Instagram and Facebook, and as a result, those platforms have grown in popularity. In a face-to-face interaction, a compliment is equivalent to a like. People can't seem to get enough of them. 5. Read more books than your classmates. Humans are born explorers. A desire to learn new things is hardwired into our DNA. If you'd rather be alone with a book than with a large group of people at a nightclub, the workplace party is your opportunity to shine. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.